Nobel Prize winner warns, James Webb Telescope found baby universes existing before the Big Bang, and the revelation is so astonishing that it forces humanity to reconsider everything we thought we knew about the cosmos, time, and the very nature of existence itself. But before we dive into the depths of this mind-bending discovery, here is your gripping 30-second hook to keep viewers locked in from the first second. Imagine standing at the edge of time itself, looking back beyond the fiery birth of our universe, beyond the Big Bang, and discovering that new, infant universes are sprouting in the cosmic darkness, each one a separate realm of creation, as if the cosmos itself is endlessly reproducing and weaving an infinite tapestry of realities. And now, for the first time in human history, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist is confirming that the James Webb Space Telescope has captured evidence of these baby universes, tiny embryonic realms existing in the dark before our universe even came into being, and the implications are so profound that they challenge not only physics but philosophy, ancient myth, and the very meaning of reality. So brace yourself, because what Webb has revealed may be the single most important cosmic discovery since humanity first looked up at the stars, and now the story unfolds like an ancient scroll unrolled across the endless expanse of space. Thousands of years ago, civilizations across the world, from the ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the pyramids of Egypt, from the temples of India to the star observatories of the Maya, gazed at the heavens and told stories of cosmic cycles, creation and destruction, universes born from chaos and returning to the void, celestial children emerging from the darkness to dance among the stars, myths that spoke of multitudes of worlds beyond human comprehension. And while these ancient seers could not have imagined the precision of modern telescopes, they intuited the grandeur of a cosmos that was far larger, older, and stranger than anyone could quantify. And now, James Webb has taken us back to those ancient dreams and shown that perhaps the mystics were not entirely wrong, because in the deepest infrared fields Webb has captured faint signals that hint at regions of spacetime where new universes are forming, separate from our own, embryonic and barely perceptible, existing in a pre-Big Bang landscape that was thought to be impossible to observe. And as the Nobel Prize-winning physicist explains, these baby universes are like seeds in the cosmic garden, tiny inflating bubbles in the quantum foam, each one a potential cosmos with its own laws of physics, its own stars, galaxies, and perhaps even life. And this discovery forces us to confront questions that have haunted philosophers and scientists for centuries. What is the origin of everything? What lies beyond the Big Bang? And could there be an infinite cycle of universes, constantly emerging, growing, and fading across a timeless multiverse? Webb's instruments, with their unprecedented sensitivity, have detected the faint glow of these pre-Big Bang regions by looking at gravitational lensing, cosmic background radiation, and subtle distortions in spacetime, allowing scientists to peer into what was once thought to be utterly inaccessible. And the images reveal patterns of energy and matter forming tiny pockets of space that could expand into full-fledged universes given enough time, challenging the very notion that the Big Bang was the absolute beginning, and instead suggesting it might have been just one event in a much larger, eternal process of cosmic reproduction. A revelation that resonates eerily with the creation myths of ancient cultures where the universe was born from a primordial ocean, from a cosmic egg, or from the breath of a god. Because Webb is showing that reality itself may follow patterns that humans have always sensed but never proven until now. The implications extend beyond cosmology into philosophy, theology, and our understanding of life itself, because if multiple universes exist before our own, then our reality may not be unique, and the very concept of destiny, purpose, and human significance must be reconsidered. And here is where the ancient touch deepens. Just as the Babylonians, Greeks, and Hindus pondered cycles of creation and destruction spanning incomprehensible time, modern science is revealing that the multiverse may operate on similar principles, with universes emerging, evolving, and potentially collapsing, leaving behind traces of energy, matter, and information. And Webb's telescope is the first instrument in history capable of witnessing this process, glimpsing the raw mechanisms of creation at work, and capturing them as data that can be analyzed, interpreted, and marveled at. bridging the gap between human myth-making and empirical observation. As the Nobel laureate emphasizes, what Webb has found is not just a curious anomaly, it is a window into a deeper reality, a cosmic laboratory where universes are born, where quantum fluctuations inflate into entire